Welcome. I'm going to be talking about the new patient registration in Enabledoc. New patient registration simplifies entry of data, improves some of the field entry, and also adds the ability to both invite patients to the new patient portal, as well allows patients to enter and update their patient insurance and demographic information online through the patient portal. So let me show you some of the new features. First, you'll notice that patient registration has one option now on the menu on the left. We now use tabs to switch between the various screens. You will notice that there is no responsible party tab. That has actually been consolidated into the payer screen. The payer screen really has gone through the most changes, but I'm going to start with patient demographics first. Patient demographics looks very similar to the current screen. You will notice that we have consolidated entry of city, state, and zip. Mainly this is to simplify searching for cities, states, and zips. And certainly the easiest way is, if you know a zip code, to just type it in and select the one that you want. We've also added now the work number and other number on this screen. That was so that you can easily select the notification method if you have the optional reminder service. We've also added support for meaningful use stage 2 that requires entry of a race, ethnicity, and language. We've simplified some of the fields down below here, such as referred by. You can now just select a referred by contact. You can also type a lead source and it will save it. And you can select the default payer case on this screen. By selecting that, on the payer details screen, it will then show you the default case. Some new functionality that's been added here. We now have tabs for primary, secondary, and tertiary instead of the table down below, simplifying entry. You can now archive the cases if you want to save the insurance information and more easily access it. You can now select self or select another patient for the responsible party. Again, all on one screen to simplify entry. And we've added a number of new fields down below here, preparing for eligibility support. If you're interested in eligibility checking, please contact us and we'll discuss how to get that moving forward so that the coinsurance, copay, deductible type of information will actually show up into the patient registration area. Please note also that there is a new button for invite, for inviting to the patient portal. There also is a new function called synchronization, which will allow the patients to enter the data there and then update the data into the patient registration information here. Please note also that contacts still remains the same. Health records, entering any information that's provided to a patient or others about a patient, continues to operate the same way. And attachments has been revised so that it makes it easier to find attachments by searching by a particular name. So you can filter by typing in these boxes here. You can also sort by the column names. And you can now click view to view an attachment versus just downloading it. All the other functionality is the same. Please note that you can show or attach these files into the patient portal by simply just checking which ones you want the patient to have access to. Please note as well that they can also attach documents into the patient portal that will show up in patient registration. There will be another video going through all of that functionality. All the other fields in entry, searching for patients, is done exactly the same way. You can search by last name, first name, date of birth, home phone number, or account number. The other details tab still remains the same as the prior. If you do have any further questions, please contact Enabledoc support. Thank you.